Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Haven the Groomer. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, close to a year, but guess what? Life happens. But I'm back, I'm rejuvenated, I'm excited to give you guys content, stuff I've been working on the past year. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm definitely going to be dropping a tutorial every week. Definitely going to make my duty. So if you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, or even how to build a clientele, how to open a barbershop, let me know. I have content on that as well. With that being said, though, we're going to get right into this haircut. I'm about to give my guy right here a low wavelength, high taper. Real quick, show you a style that I use when I'm in a barbershop. Different techniques for different people. I make sure and be very diverse when it comes to that. All right, so hope you enjoy. Let's get it. So right now I'm using the one guard with the grain, using the Barber FX Pros. To start my tapering process, I'm about to bald them out using my gamma trimmers. We're doing the same things to the size of the head. We're going to bald out completely. So before I fade them up, start tapering, I'm going to line them up first. This kind of gives me a better understanding and a better direction on how high I want this fade and taper to be on the sides and the back. It kind of also gives me a better understanding of how the final look is going to look as well. So if you haven't tried this technique out, definitely give it a try. So right now I'm grabbing my half guard and I'm going about 3/4 of an inch up, open. Then I'm slowly going to start closing right underneath my initial guideline until I close it all the way. Now I'm taking my masters. I'm gonna start with it open, and I'm literally just gonna use a corner of the teeth of my blade to get rid of that last initial guideline that I initially started with. I call this blending to perfection. So right here, I'm using the magic pencil to darken up his edges, because it's kind of light. He has light edges, so this kind of gives me a better look of the direction of how high the fade is looking. And it kind of gives that polished look at the end too as well. And so I'm literally going to start with the blade all the way up with the masters. I'm going to clip or comb the rest of it on top. Then I'm literally going to close it from 0 all the way to open until the line is completely faded out. So as you can see, my line is not completely straight across, kind of light, but I'm gonna make the best of the situation. I'm a groomer, this is what I do. So I'll start from the middle, then I just literally connect the dots. I'm gonna go all the way to the right, then I'm gonna go all the way to the left. Make sure it's clean, that's the key thing. Just make sure the line is clean and you get it as straight as possible. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and clean his mustache and his beard and everything as well. Now I'm gonna also give my man a little bit of enhancement. It's kind of his hair a little light, so I'm just throwing a little enhancement in there to darken everything up, give him that nice polished, clean look, and have him walking out the doors looking great. That's what I do. Make sure y'all do the same. Now it's time to detail the haircut. I'm gonna finish him off with a razor by Crispy Line. It's a dope razor. If you haven't got it, make sure you purchase it. But I'm just polishing everything up, make sure everything's clean and crispy. Make sure he's clean. That's what's all about, the name of the game. Clean will never go out of style. Remember that. goes the final product. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on anything you want to see in the future. Once again, my name is Haven the Groomer. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Be smooth.